Welcome back to our series of WordPress tutorials, and in this tutorial we're going to be working on adding a unique sidebar content on a single page or post. It doesn't have to be a single page or post, could be on multiple pages or posts, but we're going to do it on a single one just to show you how to go about doing that. And we'll be working on our training site today and on the contact page. So we can see here on our contact page is our content form, but we have the standard primary sidebar here which has a quick contact form as well, and that's not a great idea because the two forms sort of conflict in people's minds. And also if we use the tab key, what you find is it's going from one form to the second form, which is not a great thing to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a sidebar for this page that just has the Facebook Connect in here. So what we do first is go into our admin, and we've already logged into our admin. So what we will do now is we will go and create a new sidebar. That's the first thing we do. So we're using Genesis themes here and Genesis theme framework, and one of the plugins we put into this site is the Simple Sidebars plugin. So we're going to click Simple Sidebars, and you can see there's a number of sidebars that are already created, and we're going to create a new one here, and we're going to call it Contact. We're going to give it an ID of contact and a brief description. Okay, so our new sidebar is now added. Now what we're going to do, the sidebars are of course in the widget area, so we're going to go to our widget area here under Appearance. Our new sidebar is down here at the bottom, Contact, and as you can see at the moment there is no content in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a text widget here, which of course has nothing in it for the moment, and because on the primary sidebar, which is the default, we know the Facebook page is there, the Facebook Connect is there, we're going to copy that content, and we're going to come down here and we're going to paste it, and we're going to give it a title which is Facebook Connect, and save that. Of course we can put any content into this sidebar, and just to show you that, what we'll also do is we'll add a search function onto this page as well. Okay, so we now have our sidebar ready. What we're going to do is apply it to our contact page. So let's go up here to our pages, click on pages to get our list of pages, and down here is our contact page. So you're going to click on our contact page, and what we see over here in the sidebar selection is that we have the default. Now one of the things you should check before you change the sidebar is that you are actually running with a page with a sidebar. We know that our default layout set in our theme settings is for a page layout with a content sidebar type layout, but if we had a full width content, then of course even if we had the sidebar we wouldn't see it. But as I said, we know that on this site we have a content sidebar layout, so the default sidebar will always be the primary sidebar unless we tell it to be something different. And in this case we're going to tell it to use the contact sidebar. So we're going to update our page here. Alright, so that change has now gone to the database, and let's do a refresh on this page. And there we have our sidebar has changed to the one we've just created with the Facebook page and the search function that we put in there. So a very simple way to add an alternative sidebar to pages and posts very quickly, only took us a few minutes. Check out our other tutorials, and if you've enjoyed this, like us, tweet it, or +1 this post. Thank you.